Let me tell you something that I think you probably already know. When folks hear that you were involved in a slip and fall claim, and I mean folks out there in the community, when folks hear you were involved in a slip and fall, let's say at a grocery store, let me tell you what they're really thinking. They're remembering back to some caught on video thing that they remember maybe off of some expose show like 48 Hours or 2020, where folks were setting up scam claims. They may know you well and know you're not that sort of person. But even the notion of hearing the word slip and fall claim, I'm not here to tell you that some of those don't exist. But I am here to tell you that the clients that I've represented, and there have been thousands of them, have very legitimate, very, very serious injury claims sometimes. I'm a trial lawyer. And what ends up happening is if I can't sell the injuries and the damages to the jury, then I'm not going to be successful in pursuing a claim for you. If I can't make the insurance company understand the significance of the injury and how preventable it was, I'm going to need to go in front of a jury. And if I can't convince that jury of the significance of the injury, my client's going to lose. The consequences often of a person who gets injured and isn't able to get a jury to understand or overcome their bias they might have is that when folks lose, when families lose claims, and families have already lost wages, and families have had medical bills that have gone through the roof because of injuries, families get altered, bankruptcies happen, finances get changed, people lose their homes. I mean, these are very, very significant things that can happen. These are serious injury cases. We treat them seriously. Calling them slip and fall claims, while that's the category, is usually just scratching the surface of what really happened here. My job is to bridge the gap between the bias that folks might have, including insurance companies and jurors, to this sort of claim. Bridging that gap to letting them understand and filtering the information that identifies why this is significant and why it would be appropriate under the circumstances to provide or award either settlement or an award of judgment for the significant injury that was caused in that slip and fall claim. If you want to know more about your claim, whether it's slip and fall or otherwise, I'm here